paasi. Boja kumu. Atashi me bwao. Hey, Shaba! 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 Shaba, 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 Shaba! Oh, Gogon! 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 E Gogon! E Gogon! E Gogon! E Gogon! E Gogon! E Gogon! Shaba! Shaba!
So you will say what's up?
One year left on you, but unse, Madam Funu, in so na to and run on matching. Abuni dan. Oh, and tis our never be better. Yachisa, Yachisa, and I say, oh, Yamblas, I had no man's land. Oh, and see a back never be south now. Well, I bet now I said 4 days to Grandpa, and I said 1 month to cry.
Wouldn't 2 months of cry.
Yes,
2 months of cry.
Nanka, about one. Oh, what a baby.
Make I remind you guys something. It be like you dey forget things easily. You get shallow mind there. You get shallow mind. The two of you forget say last time you post up me for road where you don't want fight me. You people forget.
Oh, there you see.
Today you come say, see your faces. You dey beg me. You dey beg me.
Find out what trouble.
See, on one condition. We for strike some deal.
Oh, yeah, ready. Deal be some people have been meeting. And
so are you ready for the deal?
Oh, yeah, we are ready.
It be simple. You get 2 sisters. If you try convince one, make you love me. Simple. Think about them.
Hey. Why? Who jolly papa? Me mean family no bra. Tap. Me give me na. Ebe ya ko class wo ko fa. Stand for problem. Twe o nu aba wo ohun. Odun ma ble wo. Oh, awale. Buru no bo. Me family no bra na u fa ba ziza we. Ben luwa. U dia u la fi nyekula.
Hey, awale.
Pako.
Enti wo jiji me wo kon so akogya mi subunani.
Pakofa ablon ko na ko fa o na bra na obe ben lu bi kwa. Hey, me say yo ne.
See, before you go say anything, you not fine. Already you not fine. How much more your sister? Me, I know they like you. I know they like anybody from your family. You not fine.
Oh, Rasta. My Rasta, na we dey na mo keke. We dey my baby kura for me to kakra. We dey me sere wa. Why?
So, make me. I take it. See, I know they like you. I say wake up and go.
And that's how I Rasta. We ya botere. We dey my baby for me to. Me sabi you kura o pen. Say won share that night sir.
Hey, me. Come on for here then go.
Fake fancy bia. Me mpe unnecessary fancy bia. What did I make actually one? Oh, Shaba, me awale o. Wadanfo. They say na yenya da fon fo. So what? Awale entidian. Awale, me say, asan we yan to me a. Na minim se kologo no ha. Woni nipa boni ni a wudi kan. Oh, Shaba, so nim say dey see me bo me modern. At least me do call madam for bi o. But so amfa. Opia nim se kologo no ha ye yanuanom utua ni matiam me susu tua na usu atiam sabi o wo ho na enye fe me ho ofesene wo ba me manage yesi ye reti pa awale ye reti a last bottles kura wo na ho I bet you last bottles wo na ho because ho nye fe me na me manage no nante me se sanya to me a wo yi mi ama enyemi won eye fi adwundwun enti na ma sese akọba nsa no won yesi wanya bibia wo de otutu oh otwedi ampo nyankopon na da romanti manya babi a bidi meti ato empo no asan aka babi a se wompo uhia mo a me metinya aboa wo ama onya babi de oti ato Now feel say anim guase and e che say anim guase to me. Eh why? Tira me baby awo na me besla wo. Oh. Street ya wa here. Go straight. No curve, no bend. Go straight ya go dum pona no. E pona no. Udum pona no a. Me nro mpaboa. Tietiam. Tietiam. Koso tietiam. Na tietiam ko mani nduru ha. Koso tietiam. Tietiam mani nduru ha. Koso tietiam. Tietiam mani nduru ha sen. Tietiam na wura ponim. Do score ponim. Ko ponim fini. Eho na makwaji self-contained. Self-contained 3-bedroom. Apartment class aka ho. Toilet and bath. Me wo kitchen. Bibia ho. Se o pe bia. Eho na ya bra, ho na me wo. Why?
You say person nyina yesi o. Eh Shaba, me nu wa o.
Pin Shaba. No de na wonim de free soro banka wa hyeda de eche. Won se wanim agibi na odi gina ho no. Wo fi se me anim gwase enka me. Otamfo nya nyame. Me sesa me so otamfo nya nyame. Na mpanifo kan ye. O me se kire me nyonko na me kire usuban. Na me nim se sa adwen fi se na wo wa adwenim. Me nim se adwen fi se na. Eh masa Kowachi me fa hala sinse me wege. Me se Kowachi. Masa why am I bobo? Masa me se Kowachi what is Kowachi? Yo mu nyina sunsun police. Wa be twetwa ro na. Hello baby.
Hello Shaba.
Oh good morning my baby.
Shaba, good morning.
My angel, the one and only.
How are you doing?
Oh, by the grace of God, I'm still alive, baby.
Okay, Shaba, can you come over to my end? I have some good news for you.
Okay, good news.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Mpacho wo na ade no wo ho.
Huh?
Me pacho ade no wo ho ana. Wonyonko baifuo no. Me pacho me die se wo ho a Amanda. I like your matter. You know what's up, you know. Me pe wasem. Se wonyonko no wo ho a mintimi no nhia.
Okay. Mate, intimisha over here.
Oh, okay. You know what? I'm still mingle in the wood, you know. You know what time it is. You know what I'm going. So I'm on the road to the Beachside.
Ko tena ma gym fra mana mama. Adu no manya refreshment mind.
And give me like 30 minutes. I'll see you soon.
Excuse me, young lady. Can I talk to you for 1 minute?
What for? I'm in a hurry.
Please, come on. Where are you going to?
Anyway, I'm going to my auntie's shop.
Shop? To
Yeah.
buy or to sell?
No, to sell for her.
Come on. How much do you make in a day?
It depends.
1,000 Ghana cedis or beyond?
500.
500. Then to what? I'm going to pay you for the day. So today, don't go to the shop. Okay?
Really?
Yeah. So that I can have you for the whole day. Is that okay?
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, I'm okay.
Okay, because I'm Tony Bossman. And money
Okay.
is not my problem. Money begs me. That's my guy name. Money bows me.
Oh, okay.
Money begs me.
Okay. I'm Genevieve.
Okay, nice meeting you. Okay, so can we
But are you sure you're going to my direction?
forget about that one?
Okay.
You understand? Forget about that one. I'm having you for today and I will pay for your shop.
Oh, God bless you.
So can we go to...
Sure.
Genevieve. But you what's up? By this time you there in the bed. Where is and they shout, who? Why? What's up? What did they dream about?
Virgin Archie. Huh? What do you for them?
What did they dream about?
Never mind. Who for them?
You give me energy drink. Two.
I say me die.
Charlie, Abi, you know we go
Mommy
talk.
scared.
Abi, you know. Oh, what's up?
Abi, I know what.
Later I go take and give you.
Massa. Mommy scanning daddy out here no.
Genevieve, me then you so.
And so be now be free.
You know say Charlie today
Mommy,
nothing dey go
scam.
on. I dey pay you later.
Massa money na hand. Who needs cow be free for mommy? Jam.
But you give me one, I dey beg.
I'll give you quarter. Come I mean pay baby cry me fat. So papa me na here so be free. Annoying. Na me cry da here be na me su. Da you no so interesting pow. Come bet na here dey. Akoya. So be wia na obo mi o se den you. Abe se me na fate.
Filama. This guy, pa. Filama. This guy, pa. Fila.
Oh, Charlie, Fila dey.
No dey.
You know dey. Oh,
Charlie, see confirm I come here. I no see ya.
today we make my mind say I can't hide small no.
Charlie, come.
Okay, I dey wear you look sharp.
Yo, Akwadu.
Yo, Charlie, what's up?
I dey inside.
Why your boy where you go?
I don't know. I dey bell am, you know they pick my calls out.
I ain't too Charlie, what's up? If the boys they way they go somewhere, if all boys then tell them say, oh, this be the level.
You see that thing? Oh, you see that thing? Feel like they love that thing. You will come meet me for you.
Charlie, you say I dey search you. I dey search you seriously. See, of late, like you make her ask yourself, you then die your babe, what's up? That Amanda girl, what's up?
Well, Amanda, I mean, I still dey control am. I dey control am for this reason, sir.
Cause me of late, what I dey see the I know they see you they control the movie. I know they see that thing cry.
Akwadu, why? What's up?
Wow! Welcome,
Thank you.
my angel, the one and only Amanda baby.
Shaba,
Oh, you look gorgeous this morning.
thank you.
You look pretty. You are so nice and good this morning. Oh, wow!
I was surprised when you told me you were coming to the beach to have fresh air. I thought these things are for rich people.
Oh, Amanda, relax. Put your hat down, eh? So what when you say me can't catch us there. It's for one man me na no. Me na me manage you. Shemensa. And when Jesus Christ kind no, was no one goes to my father except me. Untimi ko skani bia ehwo a umfa me so. Name them. One by one, me person me bo obi din. Na obi aka say mayi na firim.
Shaba, what are you drinking?
Oh, that's a nice able taste drink. Can I order one for you?
No, thank you.
Oh,
Anyway.
wow. Wow.
Like I told you, I have some good news for you.
Okay.
But before that, I brought you breakfast.
Wow.
Yes.
You were such a nice lady. You were too much. Oh. Wow. Hey, very coincidence. Oh.
Make up
And then
no
that my
cap.
cup and baby, I almost torn. I want to go to the You be too much. Oh, wow.
So please.
Oh, okay. And then, cheers. And I saw him.
And so,
Cheers.
See that our late friend, that Shaba boy, no?
That foolish guy. Well, what's up? What you do?
See, of late, I dey see him than your babe more times. Where they see something they go on.
Do you dey suspect him or what? See, you know if you take my girl, oh, buy you pan. Oh.
I not say Shaba no go fit take your girl. But what I want make you understand is say Shaba they pimp your babe. See, make I tell you, the last time I see them for the roadside, where the ref you can't carry the baby, boy. Me they use safe. If you start the boost to 10 years, we no go fit buy. We can carry the babe. Where the last time to I see them for the day. Where your babe, they don't talk some things. They are not. Are they far distance? They talk something now. Where your babe enter, where the Shaba boy he left. So they mean say if they go meet somebody for inside there. So these things, oh, they show say, nah boy, they lose something. I they tell you.
So that be what Shaba dey do, eh? That foolish guy. Today I go beat him. See, today me I go beat him. Eh? Today, you go someplace.
Nah, I know they go anywhere.
Then see, we get job. Just go make a go beat him. Eh? Make cool.
Make her follow you, make you go beat them. No, yeah, I mean I did give you Charlie.
May we go. Ha! Oh! Hey, sit down. Ali, see. Today we no come here say we can't fight. Where is Shaba? Hey, where's Shaba dey?
Me who? I'm for money, Janchon.
Jemola na jeme. Wanti, unti. Hey, me say Shaba on infa.
Me who anapanu na ya gina donche no mu. Ana so okompo me who no biom.
Infa infa.
Uko beach no ube hunu. Me bebe oko. Anka chem say oko colleague no. Beach ana say oko valley we on kan fi kire me.
Okay. Me no knock you your old be no me no. Me no touch on eh. Come on, I'm a cable. No na kan ni here put me here fi ona. Come on kwenye din. Shigmo we no wa te sha ona. Ye. Onya nu e ke mo la ke o mole. Ole bo lo wa fi bibi. Onya oba na bo. Chale mo ko. Otashi ko nu ncho ne getashi. Chale mo ko.
Ni Shaba kwa na fe ko ambi ni. Alo afa mo goshika mo. Loko mele atabia na me yo. Especially menele me bele fe rasta bele fe kusu e ka se ka ko apla mi. Ti menele fe don blofo wo ni. Ka lu yi majile. Ka nu ye e bo be ko un. E ba de ba ta se ko do fe bula ni. Ma to la ye. Mi je wale e. Nonsense.
Anyways, like I said, I brought you good news.
Wow.
I
So delicious. Wow.
First of all, I want to say a very big thank you for making me meet Mr. Bossman again.
Oh, okay.
Everything went just as planned. He gave me money for my rent, a new phone, and guess what? Extra 3,000 Ghana cedi, which he promises to give to me every month. Now this is your good news. I brought you your 10%. Shaba.
Huh?
Shaba. 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 Ah. What's the meaning of that?
Hey, me the tell.
Ah.
And when you jump out.
Shaba.
Wow.
Anyways, here you go. Yes, this is your 10% and the extra money I put.
Oh, wow. Oh, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. You are such a nice lady. Oh, why are dear me that's what?
I told you I was never going to disappoint you.
When me say na my dream we am tanta o. Scan mu odru papa. Ha. We dey wasa me peka ye obi di machi o. No aswa sika no. No di machi paka paka. Ana me mfra be ma campfo. No mo pɛ sojafo. Be 5. No mo wan me. No mo wan me no mo di mani mu ni machi. Oh. Private ya wa de ni mu nyina. Amana asan atofo. Ah. Ana ofi. Adumoshi. Masa.
Hey. Ani you are no God Dumoshi.
Hey. Bema. Na o ba na topa na. Ha? Masa me nyama me tu blow. Ade na pese o kire. Du ma me twam ana fa kwan na da.
Now, won't you go back?
Ah. I just say mo my planting na ngeza.
Go back. Go back. Go back.
Hey, Tashi.
Hey,
I say Tashi.
Nasi.
Ah. Mo grown to am.
Shaba will say one. Where am I, Daddy? Hey, I say where am I, Daddy?
Na wa hu a o wa ye chirin se pompo e be pai no. Wo be so chire se. Na amada no o che mi botom.
Hey.
Ana amada me na me hwe no so.
Hey, ba yi na no na jan kwasase na
Ah, kase mi hu no, de dia no person.
Kasa onu mo.
Hey, Shaba, I hear say you pimp my girl. Shaba, you pimp my girl. Show.
Ah, Rasa. And then o nyon ko no be so chire. E de any pimp no.
Ti mama kan chire o. Your person cha ne say Who Amanda man bema.
Me donyame. Esa nyamia. Ah, no me tan twa to me so.
Hey. Enya wona me hu ni Amanda o top on ma dana Benz white ni be fa no. Enya wo.
Ah. Rasta. Enti hu me na me hu. Hu me wo ho na me hu. Yes wo twa to me so.
Ma me nka obi o. Dan me hu ni Amanda na awo royal de ono. Oni ni ye hu na onu rem na wo ja no. Enu so ka se me boa.
Ah. Ene che se me ko ba bi atete me won. Ah. Ene che se wo ye me CID. Ana sunsun police.
Won jai de o keka won ma. Hwe se na me si we ni so ama no.
Shaba. Ti won. Si go girl na adi ni di abro no. Hey. Then the show go to mu. What in your pocket inside?
Hey.
Ah, masa. Asma me so. Se munnim na asma ne ba. Mudim be kokwale bu a ka hon be bo no.
Ukasa dudu.
We anya hwe o. Paper me de call private.
Money.
Hey, you say Charlie. Hey, Kochi. Wow, see what they use.
And next time, buy proper phone.
Peter.
Make it.
Asma me so.